I am Dr. Francisco Rosero, the creator of Adamantine Healing. In this short video, I'm going to explain you what it is and how it works, the Adamantine Healing. We have 24 years of vast experience helping people improve their quality of life with our 3 brands. The last one started in 2021, Adamantine Mind. My wife Veronica was instrumental. We worked together in the creation and implementation of Adamantine System in the United States, and from there we've been working for the last 24 years. We have over 11,000 students all over the world and lots of experience and lots of testimonials that this healing method is powerful, simple, and very interesting. Adamantine healing is a complementary medicine technique. This is very important to understand. In countries other than the United States, doctors are allowed to use any means possible to heal their patients, including ancestral practices, natural medicine, etc. That's why we've been lucky and we've been able to train medical professionals in Ecuador also. Adamantine healing has a couple of objectives. First of all, Adamantine healing helps people enjoy a healthy and positive lifestyle, help people recover faster from any kind of ailment, help people control stress and anxiety levels, use our techniques of selective thinking in order to control our mind and therefore control. How does it work? Well, Adamantine healing causes the restoration of the cell's resting membrane potential. In a nutshell, this means to restore health at the cellular level. Therefore, it's a very powerful, however, very subtle technique. The restoration of the resting potential of the cell's membrane is achieved through stimulation using biological electromagnetic fields generated by touching with the 3 middle fingers of either hand on specific points or energy centers. The location of these energy centers or points go from the top of the head down to the coccyx, and each one has specific functions which need to be studied in depth, and we do that during our courses. I explained it before. We use the 3 middle fingers of either hand to stimulate points, plus we give specific commands, mental commands, to the specific organs and body parts in order to help him heal faster. For example, in this short video, we're going to show you one point. Point number 7 is located at the top of the head, in the middle of the ears. You stimulate with either hand with the 3 middle finger pads. This point controls and has access to all kinds of pain, controls and alleviates all sorts of pain in the body, and controls the brain, nervous system, skeleton and joints, the muscles, the lymphatic system, and the endocrine system. It's a very powerful point. Just by stimulating 3 minutes a day, yes, you heard well, 3 minutes a day, you will be able to provide complementary medicine for any ailment in any of these organs or systems. And of course, alleviate pain. Stimulation of points is really effective when you do it when you are in a state of relaxation and tranquility. In other words, after practicing Adamantine meditation for 3 minutes. Yes, we have developed our own meditation methods, and one of them is the Adamantine meditation that we use prior healing to achieve a state of calm and peace. It only takes 3 minutes, and during those 3 minutes, you will voluntarily produce in your brain naturally dopamine, serotonin, and melatonin. In other words, neurohormones of well-being. During the Adamantine meditation, the brain waves of the person practicing it will lower from 14 to 21 cycles or electric impulses per second in the brain to only 7 to 14, which is a state of mental focus, calm, peace, and concentration. The points that we will teach you and show you how to stimulate have been inactive if you haven't used them. So therefore, one of the most powerful procedures we perform during the classes, the first class actually, is to activate your 6 centers, and that alone will mean an important improvement on your mental focus, your nervous system balance, and your overall health. Once that procedure is performed, you will be able to stimulate your own points or other people's points. In the 3 classes of this course, you will receive your diploma of successfully completing the course. A special offer: if you enroll during the next 48 hours after watching this video, you will secure the complete training program for the special price of $190 for the 3 classes. It's a bargain because each class usually goes for $100, so take advantage of this. If you are interested in what you heard and you want to be part of the group of people who has in their hands this power to heal themselves and others with such a subtle and simple system, please contact Rainbow at that phone number and email and ask her when the next classes will be. And I look forward to seeing you. Again, I'm Dr. Francisco Rosero, the founder of the Adamantine System.